It was 90,000 planes.
Have you ever wondered where the President of the United States goes when a global crisis strikes? Most people imagine they're hiding in the White House or deep inside the world's most secure bunkers. But the reality is far beyond any fantasy you've ever heard.
Anybody want to buy one?
There's a project currently under construction and development, one that until recently hadn't even appeared in official documents. A bird with a mission to replace Air Force One, but not just as a presidential transport aircraft. This new jet is a flying command center, a place from which the future of war or peace could be determined from above any earthly threat. Reports are coming in about a top-secret project at Boeing, codenamed Liberty Bird.
Well, let's say it's a 2-year process. They start a plant, and they're big plants. We're giving them approval to also, in many cases, to build the electric facility with it. So you have electric generation and the plant, and they're big plants. Now, the good news is a lot of money for them, and they can build them fast, but they're still very big plants. So I'd always say it would take a year and a half to 2 years.
It's said that the budget for this project has exceeded $5 billion, with some of its funding even not being listed in the annual public budget. A bird with technologies that until a few years ago we only saw in science fiction movies. The body of the new jet is made from advanced composite materials that not only resist heat-seeking missiles, but are fully insulated against EMP electromagnetic pulses, the kind of pulse that could disable all electronic systems. The missile defense system on board is of the 5th generation, capable of simultaneously detecting and destroying multiple targets, something akin to what's only seen on the B-21 bombers. But the true strength lies in its communications. Quantum communications. This means the president's orders are untraceable, unhackable, and even untraceable by normal means. Even in the worst-case scenarios, like a global cyber war, this aircraft can remain alive, connected, and ready to make decisions. As one Pentagon official put it, if the world burns, our command center is still alive in the sky. This jet can even fly at an altitude of over 65,000 feet, an altitude where no fighter jets or surface-to-air missiles can reach it. And perhaps the most interesting part is that it's not just designed to escape threats, it's designed for commanding an attack. This means that the President of the United States, from the sky and inside an aircraft, can lead a large-scale military operation, like a general standing in the middle of a battlefield, but in the safest place possible. In comparison, the presidential aircrafts of other countries are more like VIP jets. Russia's Il-96 is still based on technology from the 1980s. China uses a luxury version of the Boeing 747. Europe tends to focus more on comfort and luxury than military power. But the United States, with this new bird, has forever redefined the very concept of a presidential aircraft. Reports show that this jet is currently undergoing flight tests at one of the Air Force's secret bases in Nevada or Arizona. It's likely to enter official service by the end of 2027. However, some analysts suggest that in the event of global crises, the government might use this bird much sooner than we think. Now, the lingering question remains: when such a bird flies in the skies, where exactly will the world go? Is it merely a symbol of power and deterrence, or the beginning of a new era in warfare and diplomacy from the skies?